Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you what I did with this old kinky afro. I'm using a ponytail wig cap that comes with attached comb to it. Use an attached comb to the ponytail wig cap, then my crochet pin, the big one. Alright, let's get started. If you have a manicure head, a dummy, or anything you want to use, place your ponytail wig cap on top of it, then use pin to pin them down. When I'm doing this, I make sure that where the comb is down, then the other one is up. Then I use my pin and pin it down to avoid flipping off when I'm sewing, when I'm doing my crochet. Okay, there are two methods to this, and I'll be showing you the two of them in this video. Whichever one that you find better, I'll tell you later. The first one is to use the crochet pin and do it like a normal crochet method. Open it and take the whole kinky afro that you want to use at that moment. Close the hook and pull out. Tie it like a normal crochet method and keep. Please note that you can find this one difficult, but once you succeed pulling it out, then you are done. So the second method is to take a small part from the kinky coily, then use your crochet pin and take the small part in a single hole, then tight it. Then use the kinky coily and tight it with the small part of the kinky. Tight it twice, then keep. So from my observation, the first one is hard while the second one is better for me. The reason why the first one is hard, to be honest, because I find it hard pulling out the afro, the whole afro that I'm using. I find it hard pulling it out from the crochet, from this tiny ponytail wig. While the second one I'm using a little, so it's way more easier for me. So whichever one you think is okay, that you are comfortable with, you can use. The goal is to do a ponytail wig. Guys, I'm done with this, and this is a drawstring kinky coil wig. This is easy to use, easy to do, easy to go. So with any style of gear up that you pack with, you can use this drawstring kinky coily afro wig. You can use it. It has a comb. If you have watched this moment, thank you so much for staying. If you find the video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit on the subscribe button for more of my videos and to be part of the family. Thank you so much for staying. See you in my next video. Bye.